Oh, I forgot to say vote for the cinematics. Maybe you should just give control to the player one for that.
Bring me that bacon. Bring me that bacon.
Choose your pig. Tank. Choose your pig.
Tank pig,
Tank.
necro pig, and magician pig. I like the necro pig. He was good. Magician pig, maybe.
Magician.
Can try it.
Magician.
All right,
Choose one spell.
let's go with magician pig.
Choose one spell.
You can cast the frostbolt out, so it's like a skill shot, and it will slow struck enemies. Wompy Dompy is my favourite ability. Jump a short distance. It has the best noise ever. Level 1 is Kenneth's Surprise. You can teleport to other pigs. It's between pulled pork and the random aids for the Q ability. That's sort of like sends you back 5 seconds ago, which could be good, but at the same time not super good. Hide your ass is pretty good. Like just basically not being targetable by the boss by the looks of it. Movement speed either way.
Starving wife. Starving kid. Starving kid. There's only one way out of this. There's only one way out of this.
They're escaping.
Escape
After them.
from Kenneth. Farmer Kenneth.
They're escaping. After them.
Oh, I see. It's like that, is it, Farmer Kenneth? They are fixated. Ah, good thing he fell asleep randomly. Farmer Kenneth is coming. But I might try to sneak in some of his crops for a bit of health. No! I used my jump. No, get out!
Yummy.
Oh, he's on me. Get him.
Yummy.
Oh,
Red pig died.
I need help.
Died.
And that level's over just as he gets the kill. Beautiful. Okay. Pulled pork could be more fun than the random buff. And I don't really like rock push that much. It's a good idea, Pale, to try to sort of bug the farmer, get him to bite your ass, and then jump out of the map. Don't forget there's that item, golden roast beef.
Look at him go, yelling about them pigs again.
Stephen, come down
Look at
here
him go,
immediately.
It's a good item.
Man.
Pigs again.
All right, you
Steven,
maniac.
Come
Just let me
down
load
here
my gun
immediately,
here.
old man.
All right, you maniac. Just let me load my gun here.
Storm's coming. Hey, so you can put the pulled pork on someone and then sprint. That's kind of cool. Magician's rule. I don't like where this is going. Gonna have to get a sprint ability. Man, he really likes me.
Yummy.
This is like being stream sniped.
Red pig, yeah.
Yummy.
And now I got the hunter sniping me.
Pig died.
16 gold out of 18. Maybe I have the most delicious bacon, I don't know. I may as well have played the tank at this rate. Alright, there's your periodic gold. That's 100% movement speed, which I think might be better. For that faster. Get out of trouble.
Son,
And then you
I need to rest
you
a
lose
bit.
gold if you die,
But
that's the
you
downside.
keep
Your
up
percentage
the
of your gold.
hunt. I need
All
to
right,
rest a
do
bit.
it.
But you keep up the hunt.
All right, do it.
Sounds older than the old man.
I've rested enough. Let me help
I'm
you,
not sure
son.
the gold medallion stacks.
I've rested
Does it say whether it's unique
enough.
or not?
Let me help you, son.
Alright. I swear the farmer just starts off attacking. I'm out. I'll see you later. I'm his favourite pig, I think. I've almost made it. Oh, come on. Get me out of here. I'm just hiding. My best chance of survival.
What are you doing in my swamp?
Tahiti.
Pig.
Pig. What a save. You could just buy like some of the cheaper items to start off with. Like 30 hit points could make or break you getting killed or not. This block chance though, what's that? 32% to completely block damage or block a portion of damage? Because you got shields over here as well that can block physical damage. Oh, hang on a second. That's 120 gold for 27% block chance, and this one has like 32%. Oh, I see. It's the recipe, isn't it? That's why it's more.
Steven,
That's why it seems cheaper.
You grab one end. Son, you grab the other.
Still think I
And
want the
then
movement
swing
speed.
it back to me. Now, son, listen. You grab the other. It is very important that you do not touch the that you do not touch the
It's a lot of magician pigs. Alright, this is a tough level. Stay away from the character as well as the lightning.
Hurry.
Oh, that does actually work. Alright, so you can slow them down as well.
Hurry. Hurry.
This looks bad for me. Okay.
Blue pig died. Blue pig died.
Blue pig is gone.
Quickly. To the other side now. To the other side now.
Purple pig died. Purple pig died.
You can't use Wompy
To
Dumpy
the
on
other
this level.
side now.
Feels rough not having Wompy Dumpy.
Quickly. To the other side now.
Oh, good. I haven't actually picked any of the heal abilities, but that only works on allies. I still think I might try to be greedy and save my gold for those boots. Those lovely, lovely boots. Those are the most expensive items, at least as far as I can tell, to straight up buy.
Hey there. Hey there.
This is a very hard level. We gotta bail out of this. Oh, I think he's coming to me. Oh no, he's going over to Belmont. That's Belmont done. Looks like he's coming over this way.
Our allies' hero has fallen.
Leave me be. How are you still jumping? What is this? Someone save me. God damn. He is endless.
Our allies' hero has fallen.
Well, he's coming back over to me again. So this is rough. Save me. And then he's coming back over to... Nope. Thank God. He's moved on to a new target. Farmer Kenneth has got sick of his favourite pig. 1 minute still to survive. Now he's coming back over to me, I think. Or to overclocked. Looks like overclocked. Now back up to purple. Oh, good dodge. Now it's me. Ninja skills. "20 seconds left, I think we're good." Ah, the hidden pig of truth. Has he got some gold? Sometimes he has some gold.
Ah,
Oh, someone got gold.
Almost
Old
there.
Booty got it.
lock defense.
Almost there.
Gotcha.
Now
Lock the
they
fence.
can't get out.
Bring me their heads now.
Now they can't get out.
Bring me their heads now.
Collect as much gold as possible, then escape with your profit. But it's a bonus level, so you don't get this on bonus. Quick. Oh. No. Stop it. No, the gold I'm heading for is being yoinked. It's happening again. Everyone else is going to get the gold. Days. I'm out of juice. This is it for me, boys. Quick, gold. There's still a bit more gold. Oh, we lost Swelfers, did we? Swelfers is out. Right, I just need another 100 gold. That only exchanges for 1 gold. You'd think that would exchange for more. It's 120 for boots. I thought it was 250 gold, but maybe more. It's from the secret shop.
Time for fire. Time for fire.
He's a madman.
Our forces are under attack.
Wow. The Necro Pig can see more at night. You can't see the other pigs, huh? No. Can't really go back for that because it's closer to them.
Smells like burned bacon. Yummy.
Thank you for the rejuve.
Yummy.
What? I see. So even nature has risen up against the pigs. So I've already put points into sluggish tracks. So does this just do the same thing or improve the last upgrade for it? At least I'm pretty sure I did. Maybe I didn't have enough perk points for it. Yeah, you got twice the health.
They're not getting away this time. Let's put one here, getting away this time. One here, and there, and here, and there, and here, and there, and here, and there. I think there's something wrong with Daddy. And there, and here, and there. I think there's something wrong with Daddy.
This is a Warcraft 3 Machinima channel now. Make sure to follow. Alright, run, little pigs. Run. This is the safe area. Although I say that and Farmer Kenneth's come in, so maybe it's not that safe. Oh, that was a bad shot. Might need an invul potion here. I'm gonna buy one. It's a hard level. What? Get out of it. Get out of it. Took a lot of damage there. Let's try and give a heal. Overclock probably didn't pick any heals.
Yellow pig died. Yellow pig died.
40 seconds.
Purple pig died. Purple pig died.
Could be a good time to look for. Oh, I see it. Although it's going to get nicked by Belmont.
Red pig died.
Now I'm getting sniped, trying to go for the gold.
Teal pig died.
Oh, I lost a fair chunk of gold there for that. So I've actually got less gold than when that level started.
Seaman, take command while I'll try to fix this damn thing. Take command while I'll try to fix
All
this
right, old man. I got a little surprise for him, pigs.
And I got a little
right, old
gift
man.
as well.
I got a little surprise for him, pigs.
And I got a little gift as well.
Just gets worse. Oh, that shot. Thank you.
Our allies' hero has fallen. Our allies' hero has fallen.
That was close.
Purple pig died.
This is horrible.
Purple pig died.
No, not purple pig.
Yellow pig died.
Oh my god.
Teal pig died. Red pig died. One pig remained. Teal pig
No!
died. Red pig died.
No!
One pig remained.
That boost of speed thing, you have to click on a target. I didn't know that. I thought it might be like scroll of speed. You just click it and it works. But when I went to go use it, I had to then select. I can't get past 180 gold. Really? It just keeps killing me like the last moment. Wasting my money.
Oh, yes. It's flying time. Oh, yes. It's flying time.
So that's what he was working on. Don't like where that thing is heading. Is he going for you, yeah? I'll see you later.
Mayday! Mayday!
What the hell
I'm
is
going
this?
down!
Okay.
Mayday! Mayday! I'm going down!
I'm on fire. Oh. I don't think I can dodge my inevitable death.
I'm going down!
Thank you all.
Kicking again. Here we go. Now it's kicking again. Here we go.
This whole thing is on
Pig
fire.
died.
Get off me.
Pig died. Red
Nah, I'm
pig
done
died.
for. This is a really brutally hard level.
Red pig died.
What are you
KHL, thank you.
Mayday! Mayday! I'm going down! Mayday! Mayday! I'm going down!
The tank pig might have a point. The dream of getting the boots is basically impossible. You have to kind of get the boots before like level 7 or something, where it just becomes reliable that you're going to die.
Yellow pig died.
Especially if you've only got 80 health.
Yellow pig died.
Wow, well done. I don't know, there are cheaper boots, are there? Oh yeah, there are. Yeah, it's plus 40 movement speed versus the 250 gold ones, which is plus 60. Yeah, screw it. I have no choice. If I did better, then I'd be able to get the better legs, but I can't. I'm almost definitely just going to die again next level, so I'm forever going to be like short of the money I need.
Seems like old Kent's got a bit crazier than usual this time. Seems like old Kent's
I'm on the
got a
moon,
bit
Stephen.
crazier
Look.
than usual this time. Now say let's take
I'm
what
on
we
the
can
moon,
and get the
Stephen.
hell
Look.
out of this place. Now
Those pigs of these could be worth a penny ride. Those pigs of these could be worth a penny ride.
Save us. Maybe we'll be better off with the bandits. Five minutes, yeah. It's a long time. I see. A pig hiding. Ah, are these points where they teleport to then? It works for me so far, this spot, so... It's a shame I can't see what the others are doing. But I do need to... Oh, that gold. Oh wait, we all get gold. Okay. I want to see the others, but at the same time I don't want to get killed whilst I'm looking at the others. Farmer Kenneth's bodyguard coming over. Did I screw you over there somehow? Even though that was like a class shot.
Our forces are under attack.
I think you need this rune of speed more than I do. Oh. He hid. Oh, I see gold. And it's gone. Wow, what a dodge. Looks like this guy's coming straight for me.
Our forces are under
Oh
attack.
no, the kid's woken up and mega stunned me. Uh-oh. Maybe the water will kill them. Oh my god. They're everywhere. Actually, I think I prefer going down. This Belmont guy is rich.
Purple pig died. Purple pig died.
Oh, so close. Yeah, you need the ultra fast legs though to get this one. So it's painful. I couldn't get that because the recipe doesn't work for the ones that I've got at the moment.
I'm giving up. Those pigs are too fast and too smart. I'm giving up. But before we leave, I wonder what's inside those barrels. But before we leave, holy smoke! Barrels. Holy smoke!
Now you've done it. Oh my dude. That looks bad. What? I think we're gonna have to kind of find each other from time to time and heal. Ow.
Yellow pig died. Yellow pig died.
What? Oh my days.
Teal pig
brutal.
died. Teal pig died.
That's not good. Oh. Save me. Doesn't feel safe to hide here now because they're massively ranged. It's like you need to keep moving. Oh no. Hey, there's Belmont again, picking up the goal.
Our forces are under attack.
Wait, this is bad. Couldn't heal you. Oh, I think I did. Oh. I've had to use quite a bit of gold just to heal myself. "20 seconds. The water will save me."
Purple pig died. Purple pig died.
Here's one greedy pig. Heals your pig for 20% of the healing given. Alright. He's a given pig.
No. What is this? No, no. You must not turn against your maker. No. You must not turn against your maker. If you do not back down, I promise you I will. If you do not back down, I promise you I will.
We're getting like a legit movie out of this. Electro Kenneth. Boss levels have no revive. I'm not looking forward to that one. I think I need to increase that lasso speed.
I'm growing stronger. I'm growing stronger.
Oh, I see. He's got like an AoE stun, so to speak. Snare. Didn't that thing have like a 1% chance to get destroyed every time I cast a spell? But it got destroyed after like 5 spells cast. Is he right over here?
Stronger.
Yes. Something's over there.
I'm growing stronger.
What are you doing in my
Hey,
swamp?
real Gus. Thank you. No! No! Get off me! No, he's after me. Save me, someone, quick. I'm done for. I got nothing left.
I'm growing stronger. I'm growing stronger.
Still got a minute 49 seconds.
Feed me. I'm growing.
Oh no, that's bad. He's gonna get like 2. Alright, good one.
I'm growing stronger.
He's backed off of you. So you're safe for now. He's coming up north to Belmont. Now he's going back down to you, I think, Senator.
Allies' hero has fallen.
So it looks bad.
Allies' hero has fallen.
Lord Booty needs a way out.
Stronger.
Of course, Belmont got some gold.
Our hero has fallen.
No. 57 seconds. Belmont, your greed. He's gonna. You kind of need at least 2 players alive because he's gonna bounce between those 2. So you need to get out now, Belmont. And then Overclock needs to get out. Oh my god, his movement speed.
Allies' hero has fallen.
How does Overclock get out of this? No.
Allies' hero has fallen.
And then there's one for like 27 seconds. Belmont, can you get like Invol potion up there? Shite. He's not even going to any other peaks. Because there's no one else left. No. No! Ugh. Kenneth wins. Feels bad.